Hello everyone. What happens when the world's strongest superpower is compared with Asia's fastest growing military giant? Today, you will see a complete military power comparison of the United States versus India. Air, land, sea, missiles, and defense systems. Step by step. Let's begin. The United States operates around 1,850 fighter jets, including advanced aircraft like the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, and multiple F-15 and F-16 variants. India operates approximately 610 fighter aircraft, including Su-30 Mki, Rafale, MiG-29, Mirage 2000 and Tejas fighters. Attack aircraft provide close air support to ground forces. The United States maintains around 780 dedicated attack aircraft, such as the A-10 Thunderbolt II. India operates roughly 130 attack aircraft, mainly Jaguar and upgraded strike variants. Strategic bombers enable long-range global strike capability. The United States operates approximately 140 bombers, including B-52, B-1B and Stealth B-2 bombers. India does not operate any dedicated strategic bombers. Military drones play a critical role in modern warfare. The United States operates over 1,000 advanced drones such as MQ-9 Reaper, RQ-4 Global Hawk and Predator variants. India fields more than 700 drones, including Heron, Searcher and indigenous UAV systems. Attack helicopters deliver powerful close-range battlefield support. The United States operates around 950 attack helicopters, mainly AH-64 Apache variants. India operates approximately 120 attack helicopters, including AH-64E Apache and HAL Rudra helicopters. Transport aircraft allow rapid movement of troops and equipment. The United States dominates global airlift with aircraft like the C-17 Globemaster and C-130 Hercules. India operates about 300 transport aircraft, supporting both regional and strategic mobility. Overall, the United States operates the largest air force in the world. India maintains one of the largest and fastest modernizing air forces globally. Air defense systems protect against aircraft and missile threats. The United States uses layered defense systems such as Patriot, THAAD, and Aegis. India relies on advanced systems including Russian S-400, indigenous Akash, and Barak 8 missile defenses. Missiles form the backbone of strategic deterrence. The United States operates around 400 intercontinental ballistic missiles. India possesses over 1,500 ballistic missiles, including Agni, Prithvi and K-series missiles. The United States operates advanced cruise missiles like the Tomahawk. India fields powerful missile systems such as the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, and is developing hypersonic weapons. Aircraft carriers symbolize global naval dominance. The United States operates 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. India operates 2 aircraft carriers, INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant. Submarines provide stealth and sea-based deterrence. The United States operates around 68 advanced nuclear submarines. India operates approximately 18 submarines, including nuclear-powered Arahant-class submarines. The United States maintains the world's largest navy. India operates one of the most powerful navies in the Indo-Pacific region. The United States maintains approximately 1.39 million active duty personnel. India operates around 1.45 million active soldiers, making it one of the largest armies in the world. The United States maintains about 800,000 reserve personnel. India relies heavily on its large paramilitary and reserve forces, totaling over 2.5 million members. The United States operates around 6,600 advanced tanks, including M1A2 Abrams. India operates approximately 4,700 tanks such as T-90 Bhishma, T-72 and Arjun tanks. The United States possesses over 5,000 nuclear warheads. India maintains an estimated 170 nuclear warheads as part of its minimum deterrence doctrine. The United States spends nearly $880 billion annually on defense. India's defense budget stands at approximately $75 billion, one of the highest in the world. In terms of overall military strength, the United States ranks number 1 globally, with unmatched power projection across air, land, sea, space, and nuclear forces. India ranks 4th in the world, standing as one of the strongest and fastest-growing military powers, especially in the Asian region. In conclusion, the United States stands as the world's most powerful military superpower, with unmatched global reach, advanced technology, and overwhelming firepower. India continues to rise as a major military force, backed by massive manpower, modern weapons, and rapidly growing defense capabilities. This comparison highlights strength, strategy, and scale from two different military giants. Now tell us in the comments, which two countries should we compare next?